Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to connect Hostinger email with Gmail. From your inbox in Gmail, click on Settings from the top, then see All Settings, and under Accounts and Import, click on Add a Mail Account next to Check Mail from Other Accounts. Fill in your Hostinger email address and hit Next. Click on Next again. For the username, it is your Hostinger email address. The password is also the password of your Hostinger email address. To get your POP server, just go back to your Hostinger account, click on Emails from the top, then Manage next to your email account, then click on Configure Desktop App. And this is your POP or POP server. Copy it. For this port, it is the 995. You can check to leave a copy of retrieved message on the server. Always use a secure connection and label incoming messages as this email address. Click on Add Account. As you can see, I can now retrieve mail from this account. If you want to also be able to send emails as this new address, you can check it like that and hit Next. Click on Next Step. For the SMTP server, it is this one, smtp.titan.email. For the port, use the 465. Your username, it is your email address, and fill in your Hostinger email password. Always use the SSL connection. Click on Add Account. Now our last step is to click on the link in the confirmation email. This email will be received in your Hostinger inbox. Close this window. Go back to your Hostinger inbox. As you can see, I've already received the confirmation message. Click on this link. Click on Confirm. And as you can see, I can now send emails as benz@benzpopcorn.com. To verify that my Hostinger email is successfully linked with my Gmail, let's first send an email to this address and check it on Gmail. I am now inside another Gmail account. Test. For the message, I will send test. Click on Send. Even after a moment, I still didn't receive this message in my Gmail. To force retrieving this message, let's click on this settings, see all settings, then accounts and imports, and next to check mail from other accounts, click on this check mail now. As you can see, one email is fetched and it is my latest email. I want to address a common question about why emails from Hostinger may not appear in your Gmail inbox right away. The reason for this delay is that Google has designed Gmail to check for new emails at longer intervals initially, around every 10 minutes. This is done to prevent unnecessary strain on your Hostinger server. As Gmail detects that you are receiving more emails, it will start to check for new messages more frequently. It can get to the point where it checks every minute or even less. So if you're noticing a delay, don't worry. It's just Gmail being considerate of your server's load. The more emails you get, the quicker the intervals will become. You can actually train Gmail to fetch new emails more quickly by subscribing to blogs or services that send daily emails. This increased activity prompts Gmail to check for new messages more often. And this is how to connect Hostinger email with Gmail. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.